How to log out of Gmail from phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log out of Gmail from your phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to log out of Gmail from your phone, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is, now it really depends upon what device you're using, because the process to log out of Gmail from your Android and iOS, both of them is different. So open up the Gmail application here and then just make sure to tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side. Then just go to the option right here known as manage accounts on this device. Not manage your Google account, but manage accounts on this device. Because on Android, how it works is that if you want to log out of Gmail, which means a Google account, you have to remove that email from your device itself. So from here you can just select the Google account that you would like to remove and then just tap the remove account option from the bottom. Tap on remove account and then you'll get successfully removed. This way you can log out of Gmail from phone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.